Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. We're going to make another card today. And why? Because it's the final hours of celebration and I wanted to let you guys know that. So write this code down, you guys, because if you're going to be ordering, you'll want to use that code. So this card is going to be made with the Balmy Blue. I just took the 8.5 by 11 sheet and I sliced it right down the center. And then I scored it right down the center of that. And so what'll happen once I take my little bone folder here and give myself a good burnished edge there, I will end up with a card that is 4 1/4 by 5.5. So that's going to be my base. And the stamp set we're going to be using today is the Clear Mount stamp set called P.S. You're the Best. And I just love this set. It's got a little typewriter and all these little things you can write in there. And I just think it was so cute. So I wanted to go ahead and use this. And I also wanted to use the little bits of scrap paper that I have. And this is the celebration. This is the celebration Botanical Butterflies stamp designer series paper. So I cut out a piece there. Again, I just had a few scraps left over, so I'm trying to make a pretty card out of my scraps and show you guys how to use scraps. So I think I'm going to put that there. And then I have these little butterflies that I want to use, and I think I'm going to kind of pull in these colors here, and it uses such great colors. So the duet, the butterfly punch here is back in stock. So make sure you get one of those if you wanted one, because they are back in stock now. So we're just going to stick this through here and punch ourselves out a little butterfly. And we got two little butterflies. We'll save this guy for later, but we'll use this guy right now. I'm like thinking about the card I want to make, and I'm like, what can I do? I want to show them the butterfly paper one last time before it's gone in just a few hours here. I do want to show them the hostess code. And just so you know, it is a mystery hostess code this week. So what happens, anybody who purchased this week and used this code or spent over $150 gets into the mystery hostess package. So any of the rewards are going to go to one of you beauties who purchased using this code. And then, you guys, it's already up to almost $70. It's $69.90 right now. So there's a good chance you could get a nice little package there. And then I also wanted to use this guy because the colors are all in there. I love that the colors are in there like that. So it's so nice and easy. But when I put this on there, I couldn't really see through it. But the reason I wanted to use this is because I am giving these out to anybody who orders over $30 from me this month in March. So wanted to remind you of that as well. So if you saw my unboxing, you saw I bought a whole bunch of these for anybody who ordered. So today is a great day. You could get free celebration items. You could get free little doilies here. Holy smokes. Yes. And then what else? So since I couldn't see that, I had some extra of the Granny Apple Green. And all I did was use the 3-inch circle die and cut out the 3-inch here. And now you could see perfectly. See there? So I thought that was nice. Another thing, even though you have colors, I could just use the white if I wanted to. And then have this on here. So we'll see. I'm gonna test it all out. I also cut out a little rectangle because that rectangle will fit on one of these stamps. So we'll use that. And then I have some of these little frosted flowers, and I just thought these would be cute, and I'll be using these little guys as well. So that's what I'm going to be using. Let's go ahead and put our card together. Let's see, I've got some snail adhesive, so I already know that I want that to go as my base, along with the balmy blue here. And while I'm doing this, you guys, today's the last day to get that $175 worth of product when you sign up. So you'll want to make sure you do that too if you want to get that. You could always sign up anytime, but if you sign up today, you get $175 worth of product that you get to choose. If you sign up tomorrow, then you get $125. So you get an extra $50 if you sign up tonight or today. So I did not get that on perfectly, and I wanted it to be nice and straight on there. There we go, much better. So I've put that on there. You guys, just that alone, look at how beautiful that is. You could just stick this right in here, anywhere you want it. And how pretty would that be, even right here. So pretty. But we want to add this little guy here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and kind of make him, I'm just going to push that down because I don't want it to be like folded, but I want to give him a little bit of a round there so that his flies open. Oh my goodness. So his wings look like they're flying. And then I'm going to give his curve, or his wings, a little curve there too. And very lightly, I'm hardly doing anything. And you just do that. I'm going to give his bottom a little bit of dimension as well. And we've got that. Look at how pretty. So different than just a flat piece of paper. Don't you think? So we've got that. We've got all our pieces. Let's go ahead and let me find a block here that we could stamp what we want. Well, actually, let's put the card together here. So I'm going to take this little guy, and I'm going to take this guy, and I'm reaching for my glue here. I'm going to use the fine tip glue pen just because there's so many details. But before I do that, I'm going to look here, and I'm going to see if I like this, like this, or if I like it like this. Oh, I don't know. You tell me. I think I'm going to go with the white. And then I think, let me see. This is what you do. You just play around with stuff here. That's all you have to do. Let me see here. Oh, I think I like that best of all. What do you think? I definitely like this. Let me see if I like this any better. And you guys, this is what I do. I just sit around and, you know me, flipping things over here and there. Both are really pretty. You let me know in the comments down below. I think I'm going to go with the white side. So let's go ahead and get that set up. So since I'm going to go with the white side, I'm going to put my glue on the colored side here. And then I'm just going to add some glue. Oh, did I not tip that off right? I may not have tipped that off right. I certainly didn't. Let me push this through here. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. All right. I did a boo-boo. I closed this without this little thing being in there. That's what happens when I don't have my glasses on. So I still want to have glue on there. So I'm going to look around and reach for my Tombow glue and grab that instead. All right, so we're going to put a little bit of Tombow glue on here. And I'm just going to go around where I can, where it has some edges that'll allow me to do this. And I don't want the glue to seep out, so I'm going to kind of make it a little thinner as well. And this Tombow gets pretty tacky. So just going to put a little bit of dot there. And then I'm just going to put little teeny tiny dots around the edges here. I'm going to put a little bit extra glue there so that I could grab some glue and put it on the dots. So there we go. And I think we're good. So I'm going to take that guy and put it right in here. And it is a 3-inch doily, so the 3-inch circle is going to fit perfectly. I'm just going to line that up. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that so pretty? All right. Then I think we'll use some dimensionals. I'm going to grab some dimensionals here. And we will put some dimensionals on this back. I think I'll just stick 4 of them on there. And we'll stick that guy right on here, and that'll give it even a little bit more dimension there. There we go. And then that gives us another base to put these guys on there. So since I had that Granny Apple green color, I wanted to pull that in. So that is the ink that I'm going to use for this. And I think, I don't know, let's see what, oh, I didn't even put these on. This is the first time I'm going to be using this. I think a birthday note would work. Dear friend, miss you, you're the best. I don't know, a birthday note is kind of pretty, I think. Let's do that one. So I'm just going to find it, a birthday note. I'm going to pull it out. I'm not even going to put the stuff on. I'm just going to use it right up against the block. So with the cling, the new cling, that sticks really well. But if you have some of the old stamps that don't stick really well, you don't need to put that sticker on there. And I'm going to line this up pretty straight, because I already cut this out. If I hadn't already cut it out, then I would not worry about how straight it was. But I'm going to take this guy and see how straight it is. Oh yeah, it's nice and straight. So I'm going to take it and just put that right on there. And there we go. So cute. All right. I will clean that off when I'm done. But I'm done with that part. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put another dimensional, because I want it to be kind of sitting on here and want it to be raised as well. So of course I put away my dimensionals. You know, I was just gonna leave it because I got a little halo there, but I think I'm gonna just try it on the other side real quick because I actually stamped on the wrong side. If you see, it has the little lines there, but this one has the deeper lines, so it worked out pretty good. Let me see if I can get this without getting that halo again. All right. There we go. Second time worked well. Now we can do that. Little accidents, it's okay. And we're gonna just put a couple on there. Nobody's gonna see that back side. You can't see it through the front. So always remember that there's two sides to every piece of paper. And then I'm just gonna kind of put it right on here, overlapping. I mean, just that alone is beautiful in my opinion. I want to get this guy, and I think I do want him just to be kind of hanging off there. And we could put him on a dimensional as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And this larger dimensional is okay. If you wanted to do a mini dimensional, you could do that as well. But I'm okay with this. I'm gonna do that up a little bit and get that right in between the two there. And then push these guys back up. There we go. How pretty is that? Now, let's just add a couple of these guys. I think we'll pull in some of that orange and those lighter colors there. And we'll get this here. And then let's see if we want to add another one somewhere. I don't think we do. I think that this is very pretty. Let me know what you think. If you do like this, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead, get a pen if you wanted to write down the hostess code. And you guys, I hope you got everything you wanted out of Celebration. I feel like it's kind of summer camp coming to an end because everything's going away, and it's like I'm ready to get on to the next stuff because the storage solutions, oh my gosh, that starts tomorrow. And then the new catalog is going to be coming out in just a couple months. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, all right, it's time to go. This will be my last Celebration video. I hope you like it. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me for the past few months. And I hope you guys got everything you wanted out of Celebration. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!